Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we're going to talk about how to add Google Calendar on Clickup. First, navigate to your workspace, then find this calendar section, go to calendar. After coming to the workspace, tap on view, find calendar, sync with calendar, and you will find Google Calendar at the very first of your calendar section. In the Google Calendar section, click on Add Account. Select either Sync Events to ClickUp or Sync Task to Google. Then tap on Next. If you select Sync Task to Google, you need to specify the following: the Google account, the Google Calendar to sync to, the ClickUp locations to sync from, whether to sync all tasks in the location or just tasks assigned to you. And now tap on Connect New Account. Choose any of your account that you want to add. Tap on Continue. Tap on Allow. Now wait for some seconds and then tap on Next. As you can see, I have added my account to the Google Calendar. That's it for today. We will see you in the next video.